YYAI Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very, very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Connexa Sports Technologies, it's cooked. It's 21% down, but I actually like the bullish trend that we're in as of right now. I've done 39,000 videos, more than anyone else in the space, all the proof documented, and generally speaking, this sort of thing is that I was looking for this sort of shift, never got it, you know, melted down. So I kind of abandoned the ticker, never looked at it yet again, and now we're here. Never took trades here, but right now, from what I'm looking at, this could be freaking so juicy. Like, as long as the rules are met, I can absolutely obliterate the chart here. And guess what? If the rules are not met and the price doesn't give me any sort of shift and confirmation, then I'm not going to look to buy, really. So that's how YYAI is looking like. So let me know, like, what is your opinion on it. All I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.